Hi, I'm Grant with MarineMax, and today we're on our trade-in. This is the Grady-White 307 Freedom. Super popular model, very versatile boat, great fishing boat, but a great family boat too. You want to just go out, go cruise for dinner. This has got tons of seating in it, but it's got a big live well, it's got big fish boxes, lots of rod holders, so very offshore capable as well. This one's been updated with new 16-inch Garmin GPSs in it, new VHF radio in it, so the electronics on this are updated. This has the Lumar bow thruster on it, so you've got some great control when getting into the docks with this boat. Big bow seating area on here, anchor windlass up in the front of the boat. Cushions are nice and clean up there. And we do have, this boat does have a large head compartment. You can see there's the cushions that go up in the bow area. We're just keeping them down in there to keep them clean. Your stereo's over here, but you've got a remote for the stereo on this side. Right here we've got a grill. Take a look at the grill. Sink. Right on the port side we have a lounge sheet that extends with the push of the button. And if you look by that lounge sheet, there's another remote for the stereo there as well. The big fold-out back seat, live well, twin 300 Yamahas on here. And this does have the Sure Shade retractable electric aft sure shade on it. These engines have about 800 hours on them, but they've been well maintained. We've done all the maintenance on this. This boat is our trade-in. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. If you have any more questions about it, give me a call on my cell phone, 904-625-6146.